Alina. This is my daughter L'Oreal, and we're here to give you a little history and insight on our third cabin, Naturalist Boudoir on Point. So come on, follow us. There's a lot of history in this cabin. From my husband deciding he's going to build way out here at the very end of the point of our property, to creating a levee, a bluff, so that we can be above Harvey flood level, and to him going to Dallas to pick up this one-of-a-kind tub that is from the river bottoms of Indonesia. It was a big, huge boulder. And he goes off to Dallas, and I thought he was just gonna get one tub. No, he has to call his brother to come with an 18-wheeler, so he's getting two tubs because one would make it be too crooked on the long truck bed. So yes, he didn't go get one, he brought home two. So anyway, this tub is really unique in that, again, it took him over a year to carve her out. And imagine this. I know there is a video on one of my socials of my husband, Freddie Blanchard, with his favorite toy, his track cover. And this is suspended in the air because we are setting the tub. He is working the machinery, and I'm trying to push the 6,000-pound tub into place. Needless to say, she's in place. A lot of people love her. She's infinity.
She's been here first.
Yes, there was nothing else here. Everything was built around this tub. And it does take 45 minutes to fill her up, but it's okay. We're on well water, and you can use all the water you want. So another funny story about this tub is, we used to have cattle, and when there are pictures when they're inspecting the plumbing going in, they're inspecting the fires from when we were clearing the land, and we had this one little bull. His name was Criminal Mischief. Well, anyway, we were sitting in the tub just enjoying the evening, and I did have my phone on the side, and I caught Criminal Mischief coming up to this tub while I'm in it, taking a drink. It's hilarious. Never a dull moment.
So I gotta say, one of the best kept secrets about Naturalist Boudoir is the full moon. I'm so excited for the guests that are getting to stay tonight and tomorrow night, because I'll tell you, I got to see it here the last full moon, and it blew me away. The water reflecting, the moon reflected off the water. I mean, it just, the ambiance is undescribable. Definitely, if you're into the full moon, you definitely want to book in advance, because once you know, and it books up quick.
There's nothing more romantic than moon bluff, especially on the water. Come with someone you love and enjoy the show.
Absolutely.
so, you know, you also have your herb beds over there that we grew the onions ourselves. We grew the basil from dried seed from whenever, you know, it bolts, and then the little seeds go to the top of the plant, and then you save them, and then you just plant them. And it doesn't really like winter too much, but it thrives during the heat. And so even the rosemary, you can even see right here where I cut some out because we grew this rosemary ourselves. So you would probably pay at least $15 for this plant, but you can grow this yourself very easy. Rosemary has so many health benefits, and it smells so good. And we do also have something else coming here, and it's a basil tree. And so it's just going to sit right here, and it's going to be about this tall. She's not here yet because I need to go buy a new pot and get her repotted and bring her out here. But yeah, anytime you're here and you think they need a little water, have fun.
Love my job today.
Absolutely. It's good to have good days, even at work.
Yes. I mean, and do you call this work?
Hey, this could be you.